So this is the DX7s that I'm having problems with. So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll show you that it's switched off at the moment, so no lights on, and what I'll do is I'll just plug it in to charge. So if I just trying to hold the camera with one hand, 1 second. Right, so that's switched on. That's got the power lead in, I mean. So I'll just turn it on at the wall. And it lights up, blue lights. So it is charging, and it was left on a 12-hour charge last night. And so that's it charging, which all seems fine. But then we move on to the problem. Okay, so this is the problem with my DX7s. As you can see here, the throttle is completely down at 0. Got our switches here set to 0, 0, 0, both of those. Come down here, set to 0, set to 0. I'm not totally familiar with this switch yet, but I've turned it to all the different settings, the auxiliary. It doesn't make any difference, but maybe set that halfway at the moment. And if we go down here, you can see that that's set to 0, and that's set to 0. So everything on 0. So if I hold down, power on, and it just vibrates. That's all it does. And sometimes it will vibrate straight away, other times it'll do absolutely nothing, and then it will vibrate maybe 20-30 seconds in. If I let go of that, nothing happens. Turn it back off, turn it back on, and it's not vibrating now. So if we just wait for a minute, it'll start doing it in a minute, or it should do. Well, it's not even vibrating now. As you can see, I've got it switched on, there's no lights on, nothing. So, and it makes no difference, whatever I change, whatever switch, nothing at all. Screen's completely blank, always blank, never does anything, doesn't matter what I touch, just does nothing. So, yeah, that's the problem. Yeah.